everyone, I'm Rupali Meshram. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my latest updates. Good morning students. Today we are going to start with Standard 5 EVS 2 Chapter number 5 Evolution of Mankind. As in previous lesson we had studied about the skilled human and about the Homo erectus. Here, Homo erectus marks an important stage in human evolution. Erectus means the one who stands erect. Hence, the name Homo erectus compared to Homo habilis. He had a more developed brain. Humans of the Homo erectus species lived in groups. And more information about Homo erectus and the skilled human we have seen in the previous lesson. Today we are going to see about Homo neanderthalensis, that is Neanderthal man. One more stage of development in human evolution is Homo neanderthalensis. He was physically big and strong. He is commonly known as the Neanderthal man because his remains were first found at Neanderthal, a place in Germany. His brain was more developed than that of Homo erectus. As compared to the Homo erectus people, the Homo neanderthalensis people are having big and strong physical fit body, and their remains are found in Neanderthal place, that is in Germany. Due to his brain was more developed than the Homo erectus, they are known as Neanderthalensis Homo man. The Neanderthalers primarily lived in caves. They made tools out of big pebbles as well as from the flakes scraped off from them. Here we can come to know that the Neanderthalese people, they were living in caves, and to make tools they were using big pebbles. Such tools were fixed on a bone or wooden shaft to make weapons like the spear, axe, etc. As for the hunting purpose, they are fixing it on bone or wooden shaft to make it a tool, so they can make use of it in different purposes. The Neanderthalers hunted big animals. They used scrapers made from stone flakes to scrape meat from the hide of dead animals, as to collect the scrap of or skin of animals. They were using that tools which was made up of pebbles. They used leather clothing. They were mainly meat eaters. Maximum times they were eating meat only. They ate meat roasted on fire. They knew the art of making fire by rubbing sticks of hard wood on each other or by striking the flintstone on any other to obtain sparks. As with the help of two pebbles, they were trying to strike a fire, or also by making the use of two hard woods to strike in the fire. So on that fire they were cooking their food. It is likely that the Neanderthalers had developed some artistic skills. It means that they had created new skills in them. Some scientists believe that they also communicate with each other by producing grunts and other primary sounds, as the Neanderthalese people were unable to speak as we human beings. But they had tried by making different signs by using grunting or by using primary sounds, so they can communicate between each other. However, it is not known whether they had a developed language system to express their thoughts with the help of words. But whatever the words the scientists had collected, from that we cannot come to know that whether they are having any developed language or not. When a member of the group died, the Neanderthals buried tools, horns, etc. as it was the tradition of the Neanderthals people that when a person or a member of the group died, whatever the material belongs to that person was buried with his body. Also, they applied red ochre to the dead body before burying it. It indicates that the Neanderthals had established some rituals of burying the dead. It means that some cultures they had started in between them or in their groups. In the course of time, some groups of Neanderthals left Africa and migrated up to the continents of Europe and Asia. Naturally, they had to face a different environment. They had to adopt new ways of living and finding food. Therefore, they went on modifying and improving the tools that were essential in their life. However, the improvements in tools took place over thousands of years. It means that, as according to the situation, the Neanderthals people they had tried to improve their lifestyle, and also according to the need they had also improved their tools. Homo sapiens is the name used for humans that were more advanced than the Neanderthals. Homo sapiens means intelligent or intellectual man. We shall learn more about him later. The Neanderthals and the Homo sapiens were neighbors for some time in Europe. It is believed that due to reasons like their conflict with Homo sapiens and inability to adapt to environmental changes, the Neanderthals become extinct. On the basis of sea-faulting dating, it is estimated that the Neanderthals became extinct about 30,000 years ago. This is a little bit history about the Homo neanderthalis man. Here we can see that the Homo neanderthalensis. Here the Homo neanderthalis was known as the Neanderthal man, as his remains were found at Neanderthal in Germany. As he was physically big and strong and his brain was more developed than Homo erectus. The Neanderthals made tools out of big pebbles and flakes scraped from pebbles. These include spear, hand axe and scraper. The Neanderthals knew art of making fire and ate meat roasted on fire. The Neanderthals used leather clothing. They communicated with others by grunting and other primary sounds. They had developed some artistic skills. Neanderthals had established some rituals of burying the dead. Also, we come to know that some groups of Neanderthal left Africa and migrated to Europe and Asia. They had to modify their way of living to adjust to the different environment. However, their inability to adapt to the environmental changes led to their extinction about 30,000 years ago. This was the small information about the Homo neanderthalensis. The remaining content of the lesson will be taught in next